A group of young professionals who believed in the power of volunteering started the Being Volunteer Foundation in 2015. It started working with a vision to develop a culture of volunteering where individual volunteers become positive change catalysts. As Mahatma Gandhi had once said, be the change you want to see in the world. The journey of being volunteer began.
Being volunteer started almost like 4-5 years back with the idea of working in mainly three domains: education, environment, and sanitation.
Considering inclination of the volunteers, projects under education, environment, and sanitation were initiated. The first year was lots of hard work and learning. There was no external funding source at that time. The founders raised the money from their personal savings. Kailas, the full-time founder director, started collecting Raddi door to door and raised money to manage activity expenses. While searching scientific information on plantation, an interesting data on number of trees and humans was cited. A healthy ratio of 7 full-grown trees per person is that number. But in Indian cities, this ratio was just 1.28 trees per person. This stimulated the Green Dot initiative. Till date, almost 12,000 trees were planted and nurtured on a barren forest land near Malunge village in Pune. This initiative has witnessed the largest number of volunteer participation. Few companies based in Pune like LTI, Atlas Copco, Symantec are supporting this initiative for the last 3 years. Through word of mouth, the name Being Volunteer Foundation started getting recognition.
A very good experience for all of us doing some social activity and social event partnering with Being Volunteer,
leading to new initiatives and lots of enthusiastic volunteers. Responding to the call for Swachh Bharat, Sundar Bharat, a new initiative, Rang De India, was launched.
Today we are here at Pune station to help beautify the surroundings.
And we've been doing our work, we've been enjoying ourselves. And yeah, Being Volunteer has been contributing a lot in doing volunteering activities with various companies.
In year 2017, first CSR funding came from Globant India, an IT company in Pune, for Sponsor a Child program.
The main intention of the project is to develop the child holistically. It started with the academic help, which will help the children to develop their self-awareness, self-management skills, decision-making skills, social awareness and social management.
To increase the program transparency, employees were encouraged to volunteer in this program. A group of 20 volunteers participated throughout this program. In the year 2018, along with mentoring, a social emotional skills learning module was introduced under the Sponsor a Child program.
I have been mentoring Shankar at Mulchi location, and this has been a really great experience for me.
Seva International, an international NGO, roped in Being Volunteer as their implementation partner. The first project was setting up a forest produce processing unit at Doepada village in Palghar district. 2018 and 19 have seen an exponential rise in initiatives. In 2018, Being Volunteer USA chapter also started its function. Pune-based 17+ company CSRs have invited Being Volunteer on their campus to conduct different employee engagement activities. To increase employability within girls from underserved sector, a program Empower Her was launched. Employee volunteers conducted different sessions at the company premises. Under Clean Water Through Clean Energy initiative, a water purifier powered by solar cells was commissioned at rural schools. CSR provided the required funds, and the volunteers went and installed the pieces of equipment. Being Volunteer also responded to the challenge posed by natural calamity in western Maharashtra during the 2019 monsoon. The team helped the needy and also restored and repaired 7 schools badly affected by the floods. Looking back at Being Volunteer's 5 years journey, our founder director Kailas Naravade said, "I feel proud of the supporters and volunteers. Their contribution is immense and critical. I fell short of words to express my gratitude. I'm sure you will support us in our future journey as well. And let's continue seeking happiness through volunteering."
Thank you all and happy volunteering.